Welcome back people to the QGIS course. Professor Piyush here. So in this video I'm going to show you what can we do in the map canvas. What are the different ways by which I can manage the map canvas, be it zoom in, zoom out, and looking into my maps, and so many other options are there. We'll go through it briefly one by one. Before that, if you're joining us now, you haven't seen our previous videos, I've already shared this data set and the previous set of videos. I've already shown how to add them one by one. I invite you all to do it on your own. Add those layers one by one, follow the process, and then come back to this video and join with us. So the map canvas navigation tools you will find here. These are the mostly used tools. First one is the pan map, of course. So you left click your mouse and you can pan your map wherever you want. You can also use your mouse scroll to zoom in and zoom out. If you want to do a precise zoom, you can use the zoom in button. The shortcut is Ctrl Alt plus. If you use this, you can give a certain area where you want to zoom in and check, right? Let's say you want to zoom out of that, so you can use Ctrl Alt minus or click this icon and zoom out like this. So for that you have to do multiple zoom outs. Let's say you are too close in the map, and using this zoom out will be a problem. Again and again you have to use that, do it multiple times. Instead of that, what you can do, you can check Control Shift F, which is the zoom full or zoom extend. So it will take you out of the map fully and it will give you the whole map layers which is there visible in the map canvas. So you can use this as well. Also, as you keep on moving and zooming and changing the things in the map canvas, it gets recorded as well, right? So if you see here, these are the buttons, which is zoom last. So it will take you to the zoom last, which you have zoomed. Whatever zooming you have done to a previous stages, it will automatically take you there. And if you want to go forward, you can use the forward button and it will zoom it like this. Let me put it back. One more thing, if you noticed, when I am zooming in or zooming out, let me take the pan map first. When I'm zooming in and zooming out, if you go down in the status bar, as we have discussed in the first video, the scale is also getting changed. So from here also you can set the map canvas as you want to look into your map. You can scroll it down to a certain scale. Let's say when it's 25,000, you want to see the map in that scale only, and you want to work in that scale only, so you can keep the map at that scale. And in the same scale, if you want to magnify the map to a certain level, you can just type here in the magnifier box whatever percentage you want to magnify. Let's say you want to zoom out the map, still the scale is same, right? And let's say you want to magnify it to 200%, it will magnify the map, but the scale remains the same, right? So these are things also which you can do in the map canvas. Also, if you don't want these customized map scales, you can choose your own also. We'll use that as well. I hope you are familiar with the scale concept. So this value means how many times your actual dimensions of the real world, how many times it is smaller in the map. So the more, if this value is more, your map will be smaller and smaller. Let's say if I make it to 1000, you will see the map will zoom out. So if my magnifier is 100%, that means it is showing me the real scale when I'll be printing that map. So it will come out in the same size. So you can, by using this, you can have an idea what will be the size of the map, will it be readable or not, and all those things. So in that matter, map canvas helps. Okay, so that's about it about the map canvas. Some more things we will explore them in the deep in the later videos as the course progresses. So in the next lesson, we will discuss about the symbology. If you see here, every layer has their own colors and symbols, right? Shapes. If you see the places layer, there is a symbol for that as well. If I hide all the layers and just show you the places, you see here, these are the blue dots which defines the places which would have been identified. in any area. So likewise, there are different properties for every layer. If I select the layer and right click, I can go to properties. In the properties, there is a symbology option, which has different ways how you can represent your layer, be it entity, be it a shape, be it lines. You can use various options in this. We'll cover that in the next lesson. See you there.